Hi YouTube, the Echo Man here. Today I'm going to show you how to polish your car. Today I'm going to be working on my 2006 Toyota Yaris. This car has been sitting outside its entire life. It's faded, it's got lots of rock chips. It's in need of some TLC. I'm going to be turning this car from this into this. All in my condo's underground garage. You too can get results like this from a few items from Amazon. I'll be doing a two-stage process, starting with Meguiar's Ultimate Compound and then Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. Two-part polish is just that. Requires using the polishing machine twice, once with a compound, cutting compound, and one with the polish. I bought all my equipment from Amazon. I used the Porter Cable 5 amp dual action polisher. You're also going to need the polishing discs. These are various foam thicknesses and textures. Amazon, it's about 20 bucks for a variety pack. So I've got myself set up in the garage. I've applied just a minute amount of compound to the pad, spreading it out here a little bit on the door panel. And the name of the game is pick an area of 10 to 20 inches square, working your machine back and forth in overlaps, 50% overlap, 70% overlap, going back and forth, left and right. Then you can switch directions, go top, bottom. You want to make sure you're passing every area at least 6 times. Here I've got a really scuffed up area, so I'll be applying a moderate pressure in this area to try to buff out the imperfections there. This video is sped up about 200%. And a few passes and spending a little bit of time in that spot cleared up that imperfection. Here we've got about a 4-inch scratch in the door. I don't know if it's from a key or shopping cart or something. I'll try to zoom in here. And you can see how the polisher makes quick work of getting rid of the scratch. And it's disappeared right before our eyes. So again, you want to pick a section, do lots of overlapping passes. Don't stop the machine too long in one spot. Being a dual action, it doesn't have very much risk of burning through, but if you're polishing multiple times per year over the years, you can wear down your clear coat. You also have to be careful around body lines. If there's a ridge in just the design of the car, you run your dual action over that edge too many times, you can burn through into the clear coat and into the paint. Same with edges. So as you can see here, I stay away from the edges. I've learned how to apply different pressures on the disc, so when I am getting near a body line, I'm not putting a massive amount of pressure on that body line, just kind of using it sparingly. You can run painter's tape over your edges if you're just learning how and you're really scared of burning through. So we're using very little compound on that pad. Less is more when it comes to polishing. It leaves very little residue, but here I'm wiping it off. And it's also good to check your work, see if you missed any spots. So I've sped this video up greatly because it will get boring pretty quick. I'm doing the whole side of the car. Again, very sparingly. Doing a gentle overlapping motion, up and down, left and right. Just trying to stay away from body lines. It is a lot of work. The dual action, weighs 5-6 pounds, and you do get tired after a while. My method, again, I'm using just small panels. Maybe I might do that whole fender in one go, and then wiping off the excess, reapplying new compound to the polisher. And starting a new panel, reapplying 4 dabs of polish. Spread it around a little bit and work that panel. And the next panel. Guys, this video is greatly sped up, 200%. I've chopped out some of the really boring parts. You know, it's quite satisfying working on your car. I bought this car 2 weeks ago. It was in pretty rough shape, had electrical problems. There's another YouTube video about pretty much a fire that was under the dashboard that I had to repair. Yeah, this is the third Echo or Yaris that I've bought in 4 months. Just flipping cars and having fun doing this. Taking old cars, resurrecting them, making them look like new. So guys, please, if you enjoyed this video so far and you enjoyed my other videos, hit the like button and please subscribe. And the finished product. And this car looks like new. Thanks again for watching. Please, if you haven't done already, hit the like and subscribe button. See you soon.